Real quick before we get any further in the video, I just want to let you guys know we are doing not one, not two times, 5 times entries right now to win my STI. So make sure you go to dadbodseason.com. It's right here. Go there, grab some merch. We got new merch coming all the time. We got a new merch drop coming December 1st, Christmas theme. Be ready for it. It's going to be awesome. Might take pre-orders, might not. I don't know. You guys let me know what you want to do. But this is my 2019 STI. It's got MA Performance Stage 2 kit on it, which is intake, downpipe, tune. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll drop them in the comments and also in a little card up here. And it also has REMARK Axleback exhaust, which I will also drop in a card and in the comments. Go check it out. Love the car. I bought it brand new. Get your entries to win it. Every $1 you spend is normally 1 entry. We're doing the 5 times, so every $1 is 5 entries. You spend $10, 50 entries. All right? Come on. It's a no-brainer. Get in while you can. You take home these chances to win the STI. This thing can be yours, and it will be one of yours. And what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Dad Bod Season here. We are getting ready to run out to another car meet today. As you can tell by the last video, we're everything the same. It's the same day. That was in the morning. This is at night. So we're gonna head on out. We're gonna go have a great time. Gotta let the car warm up. She sounds perfect. But here's who we can get into. Oh yeah. So yeah, everybody, we made it. Meet is absolutely packed. It's probably gonna get shut down soon, but oh well. Got this WRX beside me. Looks pretty good. Look at this beauty. You don't see this too often. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful 6'4". Used to have one before I started YouTube. 6'4". It's an awesome truck. Yep, it's not gonna take long. I like that lip. Sweet. This guy has to check his car because he was already doing donuts over there. So, yeah. We got this spot like 2 seconds ago and he was ripping donuts already. That was insane. Now we got 2 stadies. One there, one went around over here. There they are, right back there. Let's see what he has to say. Oh boy. Little did I know that I would be seeing him in a few hours. State police, pack it up and leave. Where's that spot?
Just look up Chatham Financial.
All right. Oh. Cops are here and everybody's acting up. The next spot went about the same way. I got there, and within 2 minutes, here comes more police. Oh, boys. The cops are here. Oh boy, he's not happy. This cop, he's not happy at all. As soon as he went to pull in, he wasn't even like, he wasn't saying anything. As soon as he went to pull in, someone cut him off and started doing a burnout. As soon as I saw that, I just took off running. So my bad, I didn't film it, but right off the bat, and now he's coming after people. Here we go. Everybody's rolling out. Not happy. Not a good car meet. So sorry, this video is probably gonna be a little short, but what a night. Well, after we left that, so the first place we got to, cops came within 2 minutes of it starting. I got there at 6:59, it started at 7. At 7:02, there was cops there already telling us to leave. We left, get to the second spot. We're there maybe 10 minutes. Cops said, all right, time to go. They showed up, said time to go. Now, we're at this third spot here, maybe 5-10 minutes this time. Boom, come right in. People start two-stepping, done. Right in. And apparently someone got in an accident in the road on the way here, so I think it's time to call it a night, fellas. I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but the cops are everywhere tonight, and I can't afford to have this thing impounded or something stupid happen to it. But I'll see you guys when we get home. Well, here we go.
Stay on the phone. I'll mute myself.
Alright.
Evening, sir.
Hey, how you doing?
Trooper Davis, Pennsylvania State Police. The reason I'm stopping today is your registration expired back in April. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, I called and got the new one in, but I don't know if I have it with me or not.
Okay, because PennDOT's still showing it expired back in April.
Oh, okay.
So we run our registrations through, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see. This is for.
That'll be the one right there, yep.
This is for. Yeah, that's this one.
Yep.
So yeah, I guess I don't have it in here.
Okay. You got your license, proof of insurance as well?
Oh yeah. And then
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay.
I get it off.
Where you come from?
I was up at Kennett and I'm going home now.
Okay, where you live at?
In Kirkwood, PA?
Kirkwood?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, where's Progressive?
Auctioning off the car.
Oh, yeah, it's a giveaway, yeah. I run a giveaway company, a car giveaway company.
Okay.
So, I buy a car, I sell merchandise, and every dollar someone spends gets an entry to win the car. Just a way for me to, you know, give back.
Okay.
But yeah, that's my truck. That's that one.
You just got the dates for it?
Yeah. How do you find date? To 12/6/2020.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, do me a favor, stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back. All right.
Yeah. You want me to start it off?
It's up to you.
Okay. All right. Says my registration's expired. Well, here we go. I ordered it already. I have it in, don't have it with me, so they're probably gonna get me for that. But this makes for some good content, I guess.
Caleb, were you up at the one up in the TJ Maxx up there, up in the shopping center?
I pulled in, I left.
Pulled in and left?
Yeah.
How'd you hear about it?
I was going up there. I was driving past, I was at the Wawa.
So you just saw it?
Yeah, I just saw people in there, so I pulled in, and then as soon as I pulled in, you guys pulled in. And I was like, I'm out.
Okay.
I'm not dealing with that.
Gotcha.
I'm not
All
trying
right.
to get in trouble with
The
that.
reason I ask is we've been having an issue. I'm not saying it's you, but we've been having an issue with people in cars stopping on Route 1 here, like stuff like that, stopping traffic and doing racing and things like that.
No.
And I understand that, you know, we take a lot of fatal crashes and we try to cut down on those numbers because obviously nobody wants that. So I didn't know if you'd heard about anything. That's why, you know, I'm just trying to see what we can do to kind of keep people safe. So, all right, listen up. Here's what's going to happen. I'm issuing one citation for the registration today, but I'm going to explain everything to you. You want to take a look at it there? Up in the top left corner is all the court information. If you have any questions, give that number a call.
Okay.
You have 10 days to respond. Failure to respond can result in a suspension of your license and a warrant for your arrest, all right?
All right.
Now, I listed it as, you know, expired greater than 60 days. If you want to take a hearing for it, when you respond, all it's listed on the bottom, you can respond it by mail, in person, or online.
Okay.
If you want to take a hearing and you can show up with proof of registration, then we can work something out in court, okay?
Okay.
I'm
So
more than willing to work with you.
So even if I go home, if I don't find it, if I call, even if I have to re-register it,
right?
Can I go in for that, or?
Yeah. What I'm saying is, if you get it, like say you go home tonight and you register the vehicle, it's up to date as of today, then we'll show up to court, take a hearing, right? Plead not guilty, take a hearing, show up with that current registration, and I can work with you there.
Oh, all right. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Here's your ID back.
Okay, and this isn't like any points or anything.
No, there's no points associated with registration.
All right, cool. I was gonna say I can't have it with the CDL. I can't have any points.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's almost a year out of date, so.
Yeah. I know I have it at home somewhere. At least I think I do. I have so many vehicles.
All right, you can be registered again, like I said. Show up to court, and we'll handle it there. Okay.
Oh yeah, thank you.
All right, drive safe.
Thank you, you too. Alrighty.
Well,
Sitting there asking if I know anything about street racing. What? I ain't no snitch. Come on.
looks up your YouTube.
Yeah. If he looks up my YouTube channel, I'm done. He looked at the back. He saw the t-shirts in the back. Come on now. Your boy ain't no snitch. I'll tell you that right now. I ain't snitching on nobody. Man, Mexico's hot this time of year.
So it's a couple days later now. I had to go and plead not guilty. So I have a court date now, so that's great. But all in all, the cop was really cool about it. He definitely recognized me from the meet. It's kind of hard to, you know, hide this thing. But it was, I mean, as you saw in the video, he said he would work with me if I had the registration. I do. Got home, got it, found it, everything's good. So now when I go in, I can just be like, hey, here it is, and hopefully he works with me like he said he would. If not, I have it on video, which I don't think it would even matter that he said that. But either way, when I went there to plead not guilty, the lady was like, hey, do you have cash or check with you? And I was like, cash or check? I was like, for what? She was like, oh, well, we asked you that you pay the entire fine, and then if you become not guilty or found not guilty, we'll give you your money back. And I was like, what? I was like, no, I don't have any money. I was like, I don't have money to give you for that. I was like, I'm not guilty. And she's like, okay, well, whenever you come back, make sure that you bring cash or check for when you're found guilty. I was like, when I'm found guilty? Man, they already think I'm guilty and going to lock me up, throw away the key. Ridiculous. But whatever. That's all done. I'll let you guys know how that turns out. Obviously, I can't like record in the courtroom, but we'll do a nice little before, after, all that when that video comes, when the time comes. I haven't even got my court date yet, so we'll see. But if the cop's watching this video, hey, we're on the same page here, buddy. I did everything like you said. We're good. No street racing, okay? I only do that in Mexico. If you like today's video, though, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family, and I'll see you guys next time. Dad Bod Season out.